In today's video, I am going to teach you how to cancel a meeting in Freshsales CRM. Canceling a meeting the right way helps keep your timeline accurate and make sure your team is looking at up-to-date information. In Freshsales CRM, meetings are tied to records like leads, contacts, or deals, so you will start by going to the record where the meeting was created or logged. Begin by opening the specific lead, contact, or deal record related to the meeting you want to cancel. You can usually find this by searching from the main search bar or by navigating through your lists. Once you are inside the correct record, take a moment to confirm you are in the right place by checking the name and the surrounding details. This helps prevent canceling the wrong activity on the wrong record. Next, look in the center pane of the record and click the Activities tab. This is where Freshsales stores the timeline of tasks, calls, meetings, and other actions connected to that record. Give the activities list a quick scan and locate the meeting you want to cancel. If there are many items, slow down and make sure you are selecting the correct one by checking the meeting title, date, and time. When you find the meeting, look to the side of that meeting entry for the three dots icon, sometimes shown as 3 horizontal dots. Click that 3 dots menu to open the available options for that specific meeting. From the menu, choose either delete or cancel meeting, depending on what your Freshsales screen shows. In many setups, cancel meeting keeps the intent clear that the meeting was scheduled but will not happen, while delete removes the activity entry. Use the option provided on your account that matches what you need for your workflow. After you select delete or cancel meeting, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Read the message in the pop-up to verify you are confirming the correct action, then confirm to complete the cancellation. Once confirmed, the meeting will be removed or marked as canceled according to the option you selected, and the activities timeline will update right away. And that is all there is to it.